This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, August the 3rd, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a large complex of thunderstorms over the Midwest, Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, another over the high plains of Colorado and Kansas. Otherwise, the nation was fairly quiet. Here's the watch warning map from around 1 o'clock in the morning. A severe thunderstorm watch near expiring over Illinois, Indiana into lower Michigan. Some flash flood watches over southern Colorado. Otherwise, it was fairly quiet. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock shows that upwards of maybe 3/4 of an inch over the northern part of the state to 2 to 2.5 inches over the south. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. today. You can see a 594 ridge centered over about Shreveport or Texarkana, Arkansas, or Texas. And with that, the frontal system that moved through virtually dry yesterday is now south and east of the state, so some slightly cooler and slightly less humid conditions today. Thursday, a little impulse moves into the state from the west. That could spark off a shower or storm in that area, with temperatures seasonal even into Friday, with still shot at a shower or storm, with that impulse still nearby at that time. Saturday could be a shower or storm moving in late in the day with a system west of the state. Otherwise, it'll be mid to upper 80s for highs statewide. Same goes for Sunday, with a possible isolated shot at a shower or storm. Otherwise, it'll be in the mid 80s with partly to mostly sunny skies. Monday looks to be fairly dry, partly to mostly sunny, with highs in the mid to upper 80s with seasonal dew points. Tuesday looks to be a fairly widespread shot at some showers and thunderstorms, with the system coming in from the west. Highs will be in the lower to middle 80s at that time. A week from today, August 10th, trough over the Great Lakes with the northwesterly flow aloft, with a ridge over the desert southwest into Texas. With that, there could be some showers over the lakes and south of the state. Otherwise, looks to be mostly sunny with highs in the lower 80s. Move further into Voodoo Country. Here's August the 14th, a west-east flow aloft with a bit of a trough digging in over central Canada and a ridge over the south. With that could bring a cold front in over Minnesota into northern Iowa, with a shot at some possible showers and thunderstorms then as well. And at the end of the forecast period on August the 18th, big, huge ridge over the central and southern plain states, with the main storm track near the U.S.-Canadian border. And with that, a small impulse in the flow could bring a shower or storm or set some off, but it's too early to determine this far out in advance. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.